The first powered aircraft, capable of sustained and controlled flight, was invented by the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, on December 17, 1903. This historic event took place near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, where the Wright brothers successfully flew their aircraft, the Wright Flyer, for the first time. The Wright brothers were not the first to dream of flying, but their approach to solving the problems of flight was revolutionary. Born in the late 19th century, they were both fascinated by the possibility of human flight from a young age. Their curiosity led them to closely study the works of earlier aviation pioneers such as Otto Lilienthal and Samuel Langley. However, they believed that the key to successful flight lay in understanding control, lift, and power, something that earlier experiments had failed to address comprehensively. Between 1899 and 1903, the Wright brothers conducted a series of glider tests and developed innovative ideas such as wing warping to control the roll of the aircraft. They designed their own wind tunnel to test and refine their wing shapes, making them among the first to apply aerodynamic principles systematically. After years of experimenting with gliders, they realized that the missing piece was a powerful engine that could provide enough thrust for sustained flight. In 1903, they built the Wright Flyer, a biplane equipped with a custom 12-horsepower internal combustion engine and a twin propeller system. The Wright Flyer was constructed using a wooden frame and covered with muslin fabric, while its engine was made of lightweight aluminum to reduce weight. The innovative canard design, a forward horizontal stabilizer, and wing warping system allowed the pilot to control the aircraft's pitch, roll, and yaw, ensuring stability during flight. On December 17, 1903, the moment of truth arrived. The brothers alternated turns piloting the aircraft, with Orville taking the controls for the first successful flight. The Wright Flyer stayed aloft for 12 seconds, covering a distance of 120 feet, a modest distance by modern standards, but a giant leap for aviation. By the end of the day, Wilbur managed to fly the aircraft for 59 seconds over a distance of 852 feet. These flights were the first in history to be powered, controlled, and sustained, marking the dawn of the age of aviation. The Wright Flyer had several key innovations that contributed to its success: wing warping for controlling roll, a canard configuration for controlling pitch, a lightweight, custom-designed engine for propulsion, dual-pusher propellers to generate thrust. Despite initial skepticism from the public and the scientific community, the Wright brothers' achievement soon garnered recognition. In the following years, they continued to refine their aircraft designs, and by 1905, they had developed the Wright Flyer III, which was capable of more practical, sustained flights. Their pioneering work laid the foundation for modern aviation and inspired generations of inventors, engineers, and aviators. The Wright brothers' first flight is now considered one of the most significant milestones in the history of human achievement. Their success was not just due to technical innovation, but also to their perseverance, meticulous experimentation, and willingness to learn from failure. The Wright Flyer is now preserved in the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C., serving as a testament to human ingenuity and the power of imagination.